Now hey guys, as you can see, we got our headliner out and pretty much I'm just shot, so we're gonna replace this and I'm gonna show you the new fabric that I got. Okay, so my new fabric just came in the mail. I bought it off eBay. So you guys, I'll put a link in the description so you guys wanna get that same product. So first you just wanna pretty much just take out the whole fabric that's on it. Rip it out just like that, and we got the old fabric out, and now we want to come in and just clean out our surface, take out all this old glue on it because the new fabric and glue won't stick, so we got to clean this out. Okay, so to remove the glue, I got this steel brush and I'm just gonna take it and just slide. If you don't have a steel brush, you can use like a hard bristle brush, but I think the steel brush does a better job. Okay, so now that you got everything out, we're just gonna vacuum everything up. After we done vacuum, I just like to take some rubbing alcohol, some isopropyl alcohol, and just put it on a cloth. Just give this a wipe down. Wipe down. Alcohol dries up, so then it moves all. Hey guys, welcome back, and as you guys can see, I got my headliner cleaned out and I got my fabric right here. I went with a light gray fabric I got off eBay. Put the seller in the description in case you guys want to get it. And I cleaned out my surface and I got my measurement for my fabric at 72 by 60. In case you guys want to know the measurement, measurement is from right here up to here. I'm gonna use a tape to show you guys. As you guys can see, from that point up here to this point, the less point is actually 70, but due to the curvature, you want to get 72, which is right here, 6 feet, and that will allow you to reach right to the tip. So don't make any mistake and order the wrong size. So in case you guys want to know, that's the measurement. And also this way, it's actually 44. Mine is 46, but there's no measurement I could find that measurement, so went to 72 by 60. So as I said, I cleaned out my surface with some rubbing alcohol and also rubbed some vinegar on it. I'm just gonna wrap my package and just lay it out to see how it fits. Once again, I'm rolling my fabric. As you see, that's the measurement that was on the packaging, 72 by 60, in case you guys want to know. When you just lay out the fabric, open it wide just to get that look, see how that fits, and it looks good. So I'm gonna lay out the fabric, see your measurements are, and you want to get the equal measurements on both sides, so they open just like that. Okay, so I laid down my fabric, as you can see, just to get the measurements on both sides, so I get evenly, and I split it down the middle where I'm gonna use my glue. And today I'm using this Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. The 3M actually makes a headline glue specific for headliners, but I had this laying around, so I'm going to use this, and this one can should just be able to finish my job. So I laid it down halfway, and I'm going to work my way up one half and then the other side half. So what you want to do, you want to apply your glue. As I said, I'm using this 3M 77. It works better than the product that I reviewed. And I'm gonna shake your hand properly then. And after that, you want to wait until your surface becomes tacky. That is when your product will actually work best, when it's actually tacky. Now that you apply the product and it's tacky, you want to fold back our product in just like that. You want to take our product and just lay it down, applying some pressure to your glue areas, and just slowly working it down like that. Work it with both sides evenly, create no grooves. Work applying pressure where we get all the grooves, and also you want to work our way within the door handles because that's very important. Just fold it and then work our way just like that through our fabric. So item done. Just this area I'm having problem stretching out and laying. Other than that, area is pretty much flat, and you want to get your hand down in the grooves just like that. Also the corners, you want to get more glue into them and try to lay it down flat. Well, I do that when I get kind of wrong, but now I'm gonna try to see if I can work my way out to the back. I will fold back our fabric and then we really apply some gluing, working some quarters, this quarter and this quarter. Shake our spray and just try to get it. We did our thing on the back. Now we just I'm just gonna turn this around so I can start cutting out holes such as for the lights and for the holes for the door handles. Okay, so now that we got it flipped over, we'll take a single edge razor blade or anyone will do, and just cut out our holes for every item while this is turned over. So we're going to cut this out and also cut off the excess along the way and then glue it so you'll be able to stick on this side. Hey guys, as you can see, this is how it came out. I cut off all the holes and everything else, stick back, and this came out pretty good. This is I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to do it. Take out every hole for every socket, and yeah, that's how it came out. Very pleased with my work. I very recommend this type of headliner. Gives them that nice gray. I'll show you the back exactly of what I did. I also stuck everything back. So this is pretty much how it came out. So tomorrow I'm gonna put this back onto the car. So hey guys, back in the Jetta, and I actually got my headliner in place, and if you can see it well, and this looks clean. So turn the camera around for you guys. Yeah, pretty much this is how it came out. and this looks clean. It actually matches the color of the headliner. That's the back, and it's no longer falling down anymore. So we'll get it outside. Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. I think it came out pretty good the way it was before. I did all this for like maybe under $50-$60 if I can remember. I got it back in place. So pretty much, guys, that's how you get your headliner done on your Volkswagen Jetta. So sign off, guys. Pretty much looks good. This is the back, how it came out. It came out pretty good if you ask me. So